This is an overhead rail continuous pass-through shot blasting machine. Compared with hook-type shot blasting machines, it delivers markedly improved working efficiency. It is applicable for shot blasting cleaning of various welded steel structural components, as well as cast and forged parts, for deburring, descaling, and other related treatments. This specific model is designed to clean trailer chassis components. Workpieces are hung on lifting hooks and conveyed into the blasting chamber via overhead monorail, equipped with a PLC intelligent control system together with position detection and alarm devices installed across all sections. The machine is capable of fully automatic operation. The entire inner chamber is lined with rolled M and 1/3 wear-resistant liners, featuring outstanding sturdiness and an extra-long service life. Spent steel shards are transported via horizontal and vertical screw conveyors and bucket elevators up to the top separator. The abrasive recycling and purification system is critical to the overall equipment service life. Abrasive buffering structures are fitted at the front end of every blast wheel to effectively extend blast wheel service lifespan. For more videos of monorail pass-through shot blasting machines, please visit Jingguang Shot Blasting Machine official homepage for inquiries.